So I had someone ask me, why am I putting on some official stuff, man? When we're here at the creative camp, and I was like, you know, the album that I'm creating today, the album that I'm creating for you, when I'm celebrating 7 years in the music industry, guys, this album is not only, as I said, is not only for Semaji, as in it cuts across from the business class to the hustlers. And my ride is here because at my end, when it rains, unasotiwa.